Good morning, everyone, and welcome to day one of Vlogmas. I'm so glad that you're joining me. If you're new here, my name is Courtney, and I'm the host of Pearls at Paradise. So welcome. It has been a stressful morning so far. Our dishwasher quit working last night out of the blue, so that was exciting, I suppose. And so I am just taking some time before I go over to work, and I will be casting on my love note this morning. So that's what I'm going to do right now, and have my tea, and let's hope that the rest of the day goes a bit more smoothly.
Good afternoon, everybody. I hope you are all doing well today. So I had meant to record earlier, but I had something come up, which didn't leave a whole lot of time for me to be able to show the cast on and record at the same time. But I was able to get the cast on done. So here it is. I'm super excited about this. I think this shawl is going to be a lot of fun to crochet. So I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And I'm sure I will see you guys with my wife at some point here later in the day. Bye.
All right. Hi, everybody. So again, not a lot of footage today. It was kind of a crazy day for both of us. Just a weird Monday, weird start to December.
Yeah.
Welcome, though. I hope that you all had a good day today. But yeah, we just thought we'd pop on for a few minutes. Full disclosure, we may have to cut this a bit short, or it might be choppy. We woke up this morning to our dishwasher. Well, actually it started last. Our dishwasher's not working.
Yeah.
And
while we have made mention of this before earlier in the year,
if you watch my podcast, you'll know.
Yes.
So dishwasher is not working. I don't know what's wrong with it. It's a problem. We have a pretty small kitchen, and as people who are gone a large portion of the day, a dishwasher is kind of a necessity. So anyway, that has been problematic, but my uncle / landlord is supposed to be coming over pretty soon to take a look at it to see what needs done. So yay. So if he pops over, we'll need to stop this. Without further ado, really quick, because I need to do this, I'm going to open my little Advent bag. And if you're curious about my Advent, it's not from this year. It's from several years ago. Obviously, I've already opened these, but this is what I'm using for the Hygge and Hearth scarf. If you're interested in more information, we talked about all of that on day 0.
Yep.
So I'm going to open it. I don't remember what any of these look like. So this one, I'll show the name first. So this one
I don't remember the names at all.
It's blowing out. Hopefully the lighting is better. I'm sorry about yesterday. Okay, it's blowing way out. Anyway, it says Main Street USA. And this is a Fangirl Fibers who's also blowing out. Advent We'll get the lighting right. Probably
We'll get it figured out.
probably like December 23rd.
Because that's how it goes.
Okay, yes.
I am stoked.
Okay, that's showing up pretty accurate on the camera, believe it or not.
It actually is.
You know what this reminds me of? Like marble painting or marbling, like marbled paper. You know what I mean?
Yeah. It actually, well, in marbling, it actually kind of almost reminds me of, like, the cat's eye in the marble.
A little bit. Anyways, so there is day 1. I'm going to get this wound up here pretty soon and cast that project on. So yay. And speaking of cast-ons, I did get my Love Note cast-on. You will have seen my provisional cast-on. Ignore the gross provisional weird cast-on there. But that is what I have so far. The provisional cast-on just took me forever, and I don't know if anybody else has this problem. It gets like so twisty, and when you're joining in the round, I just wanted to make sure that, you know, my stitches weren't twisted and stuff, so it took me longer to get this started than I thought it would. But I'm really liking the fabric. It is pretty open, which I guess I knew it was an open gauge because the ranunculus is an open gauge. And I have and I know it's similar gauge to ranunculus. And I have 2 ranunculus. One is a little more open and one is very closed. And they're both DK weight yarn. So I think it just depends on your yarn. But yeah, and this might bloom when I wash it. I don't know, but I'm excited.
Me too.
I'm only like, 4 rounds in or something. But I am enjoying that so far. I am also losing some stitches, so I'm going to let you talk while I pick those up.
All right. And I had tried doing a little bit of footage earlier, so we'll get that in here. I think I'm going to have a lot of fun working with the pattern that I'm making, and I already do love working with the yarn that I'm working with.
And also, for anybody interested, I did look up, those mini skeins are 100% superwash Blue Face Leicester is the base.
Okay. I did not remember that's what it was, so thank you.
And they're linked down below.
Yes. But it's super soft, super fun to work with, so I look forward to making this, and we'll see how it goes.
Yep. So anyways, quick recap about my day. Everything in our break room decided to break today, which meant I didn't get any footage. There were a lot of people around, and at work I feel a little... I'll get better as it goes on, I always do, but I feel a little weird filming when there are other people around or I get interrupted or whatever. Even if I'm just filming myself. And our break room is pretty tiny for quite a few people, but our microwave broke, and then one of our outlets, a different outlet than the microwave was on, something on a different circuit, also broke. And last week, the Keurig in the break room also broke. So I don't know what's going on, but everything around me is breaking, and that is not good news.
No.
Yeah, but it was a quiet day at work. I work at a public library. You will have seen me trying to pick out a book for our display of the day. You will have seen the display of the day. And December tends to be a quieter month for us. So it was pretty quiet today, which was kind of nice coming back after the holiday week. And yeah, I don't think there's too much left to say.
I don't think so.
All right, we are going to get going. I'm going to get this skein wound up, and we may pop back in later. We may not. I don't know.
We'll see what the evening
I'm not
brings.
sure what the evening holds. Hopefully our dishwasher getting help.
Yes.
All right. If we don't see you again, have a great night.
Bye.
Okay, I'm popping back on really quickly because I forgot one thing. Probably more than one thing. I love Vlogmas. I love watching other people's Vlogmases. And people in this community are so kind. And I think what I like is to find new Vlogmases or whatever. And I also really like encouraging other YouTubers and other podcasters and things. So what I would like to do, if I can remember, going forward for the rest of Vlogmas, every day to tell you about a Vlogmas or a podcast, if I run out of Vlogmases, that I like watching, and just kind of lift up other people's channels and, like, you know, just, yeah. So I will start today with somebody who did day 0, and that is going to be Andy the Knitress. If you have not checked out her channel, Andy is one of the most creative people that I have ever seen. I mean, she is so unafraid to try a new craft. She is so incredibly talented and comes up with things I never would have thought to do. She makes rugs, she knits, she crochets, she does 3D printing, she does like all kinds of things. She is super amazing. She owns a yarn shop called The Naughty Knitress, and it is in Oregon somewhere. I'm not on the West Coast, so I'm not super familiar with the West Coast. But if you are, look her yarn shop up. She's just really amazing and a really fun person to follow. And yeah, she also hosts a weekly Zoom every Sunday. And I pop in occasionally, usually since I'm on the East Coast, it's like right as I'm getting dinner on the table. So I don't always pop in. But on the rare occasion that the stars align and I can, it's always a great time. So if you're interested in that, in having some yarny community and some yarny friends, go check out her channel. She just is wildly creative and an incredible knitter and just amazing. So anyways, Vlogmas Day 1, I will link her channel down below. And I think what I will do, we're just going to start a running list. So I will have the day in the description box and that person's channel linked. So like, you know, today will be day 1 and it'll be her channel. And then we'll just keep that list going. And then if you get partway through Vlogmas and you're looking for a different vlog, you can always hop there and get some ideas of, you know, people to follow, people to watch, or even after Vlogmas, sometimes I like to go back and watch them other times of the year. And yeah, that could just be a really great resource for all of us who want to find some new channels. So anyways, that was my idea for this year. If you are a podcaster or whatever, or you're doing Vlogmas, please steal this idea. I think that it's really amazing when we can, as a community, you know, just kind of build each other up and, you know, give those kinds of shout outs and that encouragement, because Vlogmas is a lot of fun, but it is a lot of work. And yeah, it's great to get back to the people who are making me happy this month. Okay, now I'm going to go for the moment. I will maybe be back with my progress. We will see.
Okay, so dishwasher stuff stresses me out. So I am having a little bit of a cozy evening. My aunt just brought over these tarts that she made yesterday. She and my uncle went on a cruise through Portugal a couple of weeks ago, or last week, and this was a recipe that they had on a cruise, so I'm excited to try that. I've got my yarn caked up. Again, the lighting is not great, thanks to it being December and just that time of year. I've got my book if I want to read. I'm currently reading The Intruder by Frida McFadden. That's her new one. I've got my Switch if I want to play that. I am currently watching Andrea of Karcher Makes in her Advent Plans episode. I've got my cozy tree over there. You can see some of our plushie collection. And I have my bag ready for a cast on. So we are just going to have a cozy little evening here. And by we, I mean me. And Mason is downstairs with my uncle working on the dishwasher. It was the Wednesday. So that was my
Alright, so here we are trying to fix the dishwasher. Trying to figure out if there's some kind of clog or not. Thought it might be somewhere in here. It is not. So this is kind of where we are at.